Hi, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm talking through the new Mintay papers collection called Better Times. This is just the most beautiful collection. It has such lovely vibrant colors and the designs are so whimsical. I think this would have to be my favorite of the 4 new collections by Mintay. Let's take a look at the cardboard sticker sheet. I find that the cardboard sticker sheet gives us a little bit of a feel for where the collection is taking us, and this one says, "Good times are always where I am. Have a good time. Love my life, family time, better times, get well, always look on the bright side of life, better times." So this is really about focusing on the positive side of life and making the most of the situation that we're in, and I think that's where people are heading after COVID-19. Everybody wants to get back into life and, visit friends and go out in nature, and it's just about getting back into the brightness of life. So let's take a look at the 6x6 scrapbooking paper pad. Inside this paper pad there are 12 designs plus the 2 bonuses on the front cover. So you can see here already how whimsical the designs are. We've got butterflies, we've got birds, we've got trees and nature. In this collection we have a pink door, and it's a very distressed door with a beautiful swing here. On the back of this we have just a sort of distressed cement pink page there. This is a beautiful tree, fairy garden page, and oh look, rainbow on the back, absolutely beautiful. Oh, we've got another door here with, this time it's a white door with a pink wall. This is in the garden. And there's the blue on the back. We've got a beautiful wreath here. Perfect. And we've got the white wooden look, which I love. My most favorite thing of all, a page full of butterflies in all of the beautiful colors. Another door in this collection, a blue door on the pink wall. And we've got our little, tiny little things with the frames on the back. So, I mean, these colors are just to die for. You get lots and lots of pages in each of these paper pads so that you don't have to stress over not being able to use that page again, which I really like. I think that's an excellent feature in these paper pads. Let's take a look now at the 12 by 12 Better Times scrapbooking paper set. On the back of the front cover you have all of your fussy cut elements. So here we have butterflies and birds and flowers and trees and ice cream sundaes, little animals scattered through here with lots of floral clusters. Now the number 9 paper you can purchase, and that has the same design again, so that gives you more elements to fussy cut. On the back, a beautiful wooden page that is gorgeous. Let's take a look now at the other pages in the paper collection, and I've been dying to look at these. Look at that, that is so beautiful. Beautiful swing on the tree and the pink door. I just love this. There's the cement rendered distressed pink wall. here, look at this. This is just like out of a story. Absolutely beautiful page. Gorgeous. That's page number 2. And on the back, oh, I just love rainbow. This is just so beautiful. Beautiful collection. And here, look, another door. The beautiful tree. This is very spring. Lots of gardens in here. There's your cement rendered distressed wall in the blue. Here's the floral cluster wreath, which is great for scrapbooking. Makes such an easy scrapbook page. Love that. And on the back, this is where we're starting to get into the white wooden things. Oh, the butterfly page. Seriously, you can never have enough butterflies. Butterflies fix every project. They're just perfect space fillers. And here, another gorgeous door. That's going to be heavily embellished with flowers and butterflies. And look at this. Look at the 3x4s. We've got 1, 2, 3 doors. 1, 2 ice cream sundaes. 1, 2, 3, 4 trees, a bird, and a lantern and a bird. And on the back, we've got a mixture of the white wooden frames and the brown wooden frames, but they're not a heavy brown. This is by far my favorite collection. I can't wait to make something with this. What are you going to make with the Better Times collection by Mintay? I can't wait to see your projects. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel for many Mintay papers, collection release videos, and also card making, scrapbooking creations. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.